Hi everybody, today we would like to demonstrate how you can block the websites on your iPhone 14 series device. So first of all, you gotta launch settings, then go for the screen time category. If you do not have this option enabled, turn it on. Then choose like who this phone belongs to you or your child. Then go for the content and privacy restrictions section. Turn this feature on. Then go for the, let me turn it on once again. If you have some screen time passcode set up, enter it. If not, it will not require you to do that, obviously. Then go for the content restrictions field. At the following page, enter the web content category. And in here, you can either limit the adult websites, for example, and well, also on top of that, you can always allow some or never allow some particular websites in here at them. So you can just add any website basically that you would like to block in this case, as well as limit all the adult websites that are marked as adult in particular, as a bonus, or even just restrict all the website and only allow some of them. So create the list of websites that you would like for your children or for yourself even to have an access to. So just tap on the add website option over here, enter the title of the website and its URL right here. Some URL. And just like so, you can add, or should I say, you can block the website on your iPhone. Alrighty, so that would be pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.